Hello everyone, I'm Mike P. De Los Reyes, and today I'll be showing my 3D model of a rectangular prism. This shape might look familiar, right? Because it's shaped like a box or a brick. It has two bases, one at the top and one at the bottom. Both bases are rectangular and are exactly the same. This prism has 12 edges. The edges are the straight lines where two faces meet, like the corners of a box. Let's count the edges. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the 12 edges. Okay everyone, I will show you the 8 vertices. Those are the corners where 3 edges come together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it everyone. Thank you for watching and learning about the rectangular prism with me. Bye bye!